Getting an answer from AI is easy, but trusting that answer, that's the hard part. I'm Pearl, and I'm a senior technical marketing engineer at Databricks. And today, I'm showing you what sets Databricks apart and how Unity Catalog lets you trace every insight back to its source, govern your data wherever it lives, and build trust across your entire organization. Let's take a look. Genie makes it really easy for business users to get fast, accurate answers to their data. But the enterprise question is, how do we trust those answers? And that's where the Catalog Explorer comes in. I'm in a Genie space, and I can click on any table to validate the data before asking questions. This is what makes Databricks unique. We don't just stop at the answer, we connect insight directly to governance and trust. This opens the Catalog Explorer, where I can see the Snowflake performance view registered. The Catalog Explorer serves two primary functions: enabling governed discovery of data assets and augmenting those assets with AI-generated context, such as column comments and table descriptions. Each catalog consists of schemas, and schemas consist of tables, views, volumes, models, and functions. Catalogs can be standard or foreign. A standard catalog stores and governs data natively in Databricks, while a foreign catalog is a secure connection that lets you query and govern data stored in an external system without having to physically move the data. Here, you can see that I have a connection to my Snowflake instance, and here's another one for MySQL. We don't just stop there. If you want to add more federated sources, you can do so by just creating a connection. We have several to choose from, such as Redshift, Synapse, BigQuery, and much more. I also have options for certification. Certification allows us to mark assets as trusted sources across the business. I can enrich this view with tags and use AI to auto-generate table descriptions and column comments. I can preview sample data instantly without writing a single query. In the Details tab, I see metadata like storage location and technical properties. I can also assign access by role or group with fine-grained privileges. I can also define rules such as masking or role-level filters to govern usage by creating a policy. Revelation of how this table is actually used is here. I can see the frequent queries, popular dashboards, notebooks, and active users that use this table or view. And finally, the Lineage tab shows me end-to-end relationships. I can confirm this view's upstream origin in Snowflake and see how it federates downstream into dashboards, notebooks, and other sources. I can also federate from other sources such as Redshift, BigQuery, SQL, and more. This is why trusting your data matters. When you build dashboards or ask Genie questions, your answer is only as good as the data behind it. Unity Catalog ensures that foundation is solid, certified, governed, and traceable, so every insight you generate is one that you can act on with confidence.